box just arrived today being the 14th of February 2020. Now that day is important for a celebration. I wonder if you can work out what it is. That's right, it's YouTube's birthday. The YouTube platform was first launched on 14th of February 2005, which makes today the 15th anniversary of the platform. This was the very first video ever uploaded to the YouTube platform. It's entitled Me at the Zoo, and it's only 19 seconds long. In the video, the chap at San Diego Zoo tells us a very interesting fact about elephants that I personally wasn't previously aware of. If you want to find out what it is for yourself, go and watch the video. Now that's exactly the sort of content that YouTube expected to be on the platform at the time. Videos that were only a few seconds long and would only get 100 or so views overall. In fact, hard baked into the YouTube code at that time was a view cap of 301 views. Getting more than 300 views on a video in those early days of YouTube was considered to be highly unlikely, so that 301 cap sent the video to a manual verification process to check that you weren't using some nefarious method to cheat the numbers. Of course, the platform has grown over the last 15 years and now allows myself and other content creators across the world to earn a living here on the internet, quitting our day jobs and providing educational and entertaining content for you to watch. Content like unboxings, for example, and that brings us back to this package here. This was sent out to me as a sort of Valentine's Day / YouTube birthday celebration kit, and considering I probably haven't had a Valentine's gift in about 15 years, it's highly appropriate. Now, I don't know what's inside this. I do know who sent it, but not what they've sent. So let's go on a journey of discovery together. Well, this is gonna make a mess. If you could change your fate, would you? Oh, it's a big red box! Fuck, get this. I gotta clean this all up now, jeez. It's a big red box, it says Logitech on the top. That's who it's from. We're gonna lift the top off and see what they've sent. Fantastic, more corrugated packing paper that's gonna get all over the place. I'll have to clean up. Right, what does the card say from Logitech? To celebrate YouTube's 15th birthday, we are thrilled to gift you this care package of recording essentials so you can share your passion for content creation and show us why you love YouTube. These Logitech essentials were all hand-chosen to help you create outstanding content. Inside you will find products to optimize audio, video and editing, along with a few special treats to show you we care. We hope you enjoy these gifts. Do let us know how you got on with them by using the hashtags below. Love YouTube, share your passion, Logitech. So thank you, Logitech, that's really nice of you. What we got in the back here shows us a blue microphone, the Logitech Streamcam and Logitech Pro X headset. So I'm assuming that's going to be some of what's in here. We'll find out. Would you? Oh yes. We're looking good in here. I think the first thing I'm going to pull out, is the most important thing of all. And that is the chocolates. This is a luxury ruby mango and passion fruit chocolates in a little box. That will get my Valentine's absolutely sorted, because ain't nobody else giving me chocolates. Looks like the card was fairly accurate. The first Logitech item out here is the Streamcam. I believe this is a new product from Logitech, just released recently. They've always made really good webcams, but this seems to be a webcam specifically tailored to live streaming and content creators making what they do. On the back here, some of the specifications: full 1080p at 60 frames per second, smart facial tracking, and vertical format videos for doing social media and stuff like that, because your format on your phone is very important for social. So I'm really interested in getting into this, because at present I don't have like a little streaming camera, a little webcam or anything like that, and it'd be good to set one up so I can do streams. Some streams is something that I've not done before. I've not done any live streaming, mainly because of the time differences and the logistics of the setup. But with the Streamcam, that's maybe makes it a lot easier for me. So thank you, Logitech. I'm gonna try and dig into live streaming. Perhaps you guys can give me a suggestion in the comments of what you'd like to see in a CSGuitars live stream. Now, any camera is only as good as its lighting, and if I can just pull out some more of this paper stuff, we can see that we've got one of these USB powered ring lights, which you see a lot on your sort of beauty channels, all that makeup and beauty stuff. All those sort of vloggers and bloggers definitely use those little ring lights, use them around about the camera lens sometimes, or gives you that circle in the eyes. At the moment, I've got my soft boxes in, they'll give me a little highlight spot, but this will give a ring. It's a nice soft look. It's good to get total face-on light, and it's, again, USB powered, so nice and easy to utilise, and we can mount it places. That's probably going to come in pretty handy for certain things. I didn't have one of these before, so now I can get my beauty blending on the go, do my hair care products, all that stuff, and it'll look like the proper thing. Need to get some string lights up the back and do some soft pastel colours, but that could be pretty useful. What's this? Oh, it's like a little miniature tripod stand that will fit onto that light. That's what it is. Nice bendy legs on it. So that'll go along with that little light. Screw in. Where are we? Screw in here, just on the bottom. Standard tripod sort of mount. There we go. Not going to screw it in all the way. But that gives a little desk mount for it, so I can view you and get some good lighting. That's cool. There's certainly no shortage of paper packaging in here. Get that all out the way. I think there's a couple more things in here. Bigger boxes now. So this is getting exciting. Let's see. There is. Here we go. Come out. The Logitech Pro X headset. So that's mic and headphones. That'll be great for doing sort of calls and stuff like that. Could even use these for gaming, I suppose. That's kind of the idea of them. So that's a good little PC headset. Previously, I've only had standard headphones. I've not had like a game set like that. So that's going to be very, very useful for streaming, for talking to people, maybe doing video calls, that sort of thing. I don't know. We'll check that out. Pro gaming headset. Certainly could make use of that because I don't have anything for gaming. We'll see what that's like. Got blue voice in it, so it's sort of almost like a combination product, I guess, between Logitech and Blue, which is very interesting because the next product in this box. And finally we get round to this, the Blue Yeti X. This must be the most recent rendition of their Yeti microphone. Now, Blue have been big in this scene for a long, long time. I remember selling a lot of Blue microphones when I was working in retail, the Snowball and the Yeti, the previous versions. But this one's going to be the most advanced yet, I take it. I like the black finish. I think the old Yeti was white. But this one's black and it looks fantastic, very slick. Now these were popular because they were USB powered, they were relatively inexpensive and they got really great sounds, and everybody used them. Everybody used them because you don't need any other specialist equipment to go along with it. Like in the studio I've got a lot of condenser microphones, I've got the interface to send the phantom power, I've got a DAW, I've got the whole lot. But with the Blue microphones you didn't have to have all the other studio gear. You could just plug this straight into a laptop and you would get great audio recordings and it would have the software required, and you could stream with it and play games with it and do all that sort of stuff. So let's see, product features. Custom 4-capsule condenser array for greater focus and clarity. That sounds pretty interesting. 4 capsules. Fair enough. That's great. High-res LED array to help you visualize your voice level. So it's got a colourful level indicator, I guess. Multifunction smart knob controls headphone volume, mic gain, and blend and mute. So all your functionality there. Blue voice, broadcast, vocal effects, including streamer and podcaster presets to make it nice and easy. You don't have to learn about EQ or compression. You can just press a button, you've got a preset, you're there. Making it great for people starting to get into this sort of thing. Customizable lighting for personalizing your mic if you want to. If it's all about how it looks. It's all about how it looks on camera, really. 4 versatile pickup patterns, cardioid, omni, bi-directional, and stereo. So it's a stereo mic as well. That's pretty interesting. Discord certified, Blue voice again. Wow. So yeah, it sounds like a pretty advanced mic. It sounds a lot more advanced than the Snowball that I had a long time ago. Wow, can't wait to get into that one. That could be really convenient, again, for if I'm using the laptop and want to talk to people and I don't have to set up the main PC and all the studio software. So that's great. We could take this on the road, perhaps, like a little portable streaming rig. Fantastic. Well, thank you, Logitech. This is incredibly generous, and I don't quite know what I've done to deserve this love from you, but I highly appreciate it. Thank you so much. I can't wait to dig into all these products and find out what they do and how they work and how they can help me advance my content creation here on YouTube. Certainly that streaming cam, I'm very excited to start learning about streaming. Perhaps we do some CSGuitars live streams, and all the rest of these products will certainly help in that effort. So thank you so much. I'll leave links to all these products in the description of this video so you can find out more about them for yourself. I'll have to use those links personally, as I don't know anything about these products just yet. These are brand new to me. Some of these I've actually not seen before, so I don't know exactly what they do. So I'm excited to go and find out about it for myself. So all that's left for me to say is have a happy Valentine's Day, and why don't you wish YouTube a happy birthday while you're at it. Keep it loud, guys. I'll see you later. And now I've got to tidy up all of this mess.